Henry says we're relying on luck. Do you think there's a lot of luck if my average is 70 every day, every month? Is that luck? No, it's not.
It is what it is.
The dice has an average of 70, period. So it's not luck. It's something else. Okay? Let's see if in 3 minutes you can tell me.
None of us gave the right answer yet?
You're going around the mulberry bush, but not telling me exactly what's going on. I already told you the answer.
Subject to a constraint.
What is our weakest link?
He said something that I'm interested. You said what?
We're subject to a constraint.
He says you're subject to a constraint. What is the constraint?
One of us.
Point to which one? She is? Why? Hey, wait. Wait. Why is she? A ver, tu nombre. Patricia. They're calling Patricia the constraint. Why?
She should have had at least, well, she should have had 3.5 there.
Well, why do you tell me she didn't?
She didn't roll her enough. She didn't roll enough.
That's not necessarily true. Because if he rolled a 90 and she rolled a 70, she would still have that.
We're not transferring the same weight every time. That's the problem.
So hold on. Let's eliminate answers one by one. It is not the constraint. Why? Because you guys have absolutely no idea where the constraint is at. In fact, so you know, the constraint moves every time you roll the dice. It's a different constraint every day. That's what's happening to you. You do not have a constraint that is identified in one place. You are behaving like I told you when I explained the chain. You are teams that are vibrating in different places every day. You have no idea where it's happening, no control. Okay, you still haven't hit the, I think you said something that is sort of in the order of, what were you going to say?
Well, the weight, we're not transferring the same amount. If he's giving me 4 and I'm giving 6, and we're not transferring the same.
Okay,
the channel
that is the closest we've come to the right answer. Let's call it a different word that means the same thing. When I roll today a 6, tomorrow a 3, the day after a 5, then I'd roll a 1. What is that called? Starts with a V. Variance, variability. Variability, okay? Each one of you has variability. You are not working at the same pace every day. That happens in every process in the world, and majorly in sales departments. The person came in sick, he didn't feel well, the prospect is out, the phone didn't work, the email was down, the computer was down 3 hours, blah, blah, blah. I can think of a million ways that I can introduce variability into a sales process. Now, if variability is there, if I ask Patricia here, and she has all her opportunities here, but she's a one-person process, and I give her the dice and she rolls it 20 times, how many is she going to have here at the end of the month? 70. Does she have variability? Of course. And why didn't it affect her? You just told me that's the variability, that's the problem. But now you're telling me she has 70.
There's only one person.
Correct. So what word did I use when I was talking about the chain?
Process.
Another one? Dependency. When there's only one step in the process, there is variability, there is no dependency. So when variability is there alone, it doesn't affect the process.